Grade 7, Chapter 1, Photoshop, Lesson 4. The duration of this lesson will be for one period, and the objectives are to crop an image. We have to start this lesson by explaining to students that the pictures collected from the internet does not have the same size, and I think you know that. So if you wish to collect pictures to save them in order to make an album, a catalog, or a presentation, it's better to have pictures with same size. And the only way to have all pictures with same size is to use the cropping command, the crop command. So look here at those two pictures. The first picture is collected from the internet and the second one is cropped. Of course, the width is less than the initial size, since the cropping widths or dimensions are 5 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter as width and height, and the resolution is 72 pixel per inch. You have to explain or to remind your students about the traditional tools for selection, and once you finish this reminder by asking questions for what I use the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, the magnetic lasso tool, so you go through the crop tool, and once you go to the crop tool as shown on your book, you have to set the dimensions and the resolution, and after that you proceed. So I'll go through the Photoshop program, then I will show you the crop tool, which is this button. I click, and after that here you have the width, the height, and the resolution. So you have to set, and don't forget to mention the measurement unit, 3.5 centimeter by 72. So here as you can see directly, the measurement of the crop is set, so you can move your picture and you can select the dimension you want. So let's say I want this part of the image, so I select it, and once I press on enter or on the right sign, Control plus, as you can see, image size, it's like 5 centimeter by 3.5 by 72. I press on Control Alt Z to undo, Control minus to zoom out, and even if I select this small part, as you can see here, okay, and I press on the right sign, image size, always the output picture will be same size. So whenever you select a big area or a small area from the document, the result will be always the measurement you set up. And this is the power of this function, to have multiple pictures collected from the internet with the same size. So I'll go back again to my lesson. You will show them how to fix the width, height, and resolution, and as a reminder, Control A, you can create a short discussion to see if they remember or not, Control C to copy, and Control V to paste. And then after I start selecting, and to make sure that the picture has the right size, you go to image size as I did, and you have to show them for one picture. If you select a big area or a small area, always the result will be what we said before, the measurements set in the crop. There is an additional project you ask your students to make. It's to collect pictures of recycling, 5 pictures, then go to width 5 centimeter, height 5 centimeter, resolution 200 with using the crop function, to create a new document by 25 centimeter width and 5 centimeter height, and to place all the pictures in this new document. So as you can see, the launching of the idea of crop is not too long. You have to specify why we use it, because our main source of pictures is internet and we don't have same size. That's why you can convince your student to have this function of crop useful for them, and tell them do not forget to type the measurement unit. Sometimes it's centimeter or even in pixel.